Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl with BI-XENON HID headlamps with LED signature, satin granite fog lamp bezels, 19-inch satin granite aluminum wheels, satin granite exterior accents, black side roof rails, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row remote USB port, tungsten accent stitching, safety group and security, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5482.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.